Rust 1.90 is out and you can get it on RustUp if you RustUp update stable. Now, my personal favorite feature from this release is Cargo adding native support for workspace publishing. This means that projects like Bevy, or if you have your own workspace, and the packages in that workspace are then published to crates.io, and maybe those packages have dependencies between them, you can now tell Cargo to publish those packages in the right order, including the dependencies between those packages. This is very exciting because it means you don't need a third-party tool to publish the packages in a workspace. For those of you on x86 versions of Linux, LLD is now the default linker. This is both backwards compatible with the previous linker, as well as configurable to use the old linker, so in the case that you do run into any issues, you can always opt out. Meanwhile, x86 support for Apple targets has been demoted to Tier 2. Other companies like GitHub and Apple are announcing their plans or intending to discontinue their free macOS x86 runners for GitHub Actions. So since we're up to, M4, M5 Apple ARM chips, x86 finally seems to be dying. As for new stabilized APIs, partial equality implementations for C-string variants have been stabilized, as well as signed subtraction variants for unsigned integers. The constification also continues, with floats getting floor, seal, trunk, fract, and round functions that are now available in const context. These are at compile time run functions. And slices also benefit from a reverse in place. 2 new Clippy lints were also added. One lints to prefer the is multiple of function instead of doing a mod b equals 0 to test to see if a number is divisible by another. Personally, I actually wasn't even aware that we had is multiple of, so it's nice to see some Clippy lints coming in for this. And we also see the doc broken link Clippy lint, which warns if a link is broken over multiple lines. This can cause documentation generated by RustDoc to not treat links as links if they are spread over multiple lines, so I'll probably be enabling this one. And that's it for Rust 1.90. I'll see you in another 6 weeks for 1.91.